In today's video, I bring you a super long-term trading strategy. The strategy can be used on the 1-hour time frame and up, although it is recommended to use it on the 4-hour time frame in cryptocurrencies. The indicators that we will use will be the SuperTrend and the TDFI. In my case, I will use the strategy on Bitcoin on the 4-hour chart. The first indicator that we will select will be the SuperTrend. This indicator we will put with an ATR parameter of 1.8. After that, we will select the TDFI indicator. We will configure this indicator with a parameter of 7 and a filter of 0.06. Once we have the indicators set up correctly, let's move on to explaining the rules for making buy trades. To make a buy trade, first of all, the SuperTrend indicator must be green, signaling an uptrend. In addition to this, the TDFI should also be green to confirm that trend. Once the trade is done, we will place our stop loss just below the SuperTrend and take profit when the SuperTrend turns red, as long as we have a minimum profit. To make a sell trade, first of all, the SuperTrend indicator must be in the red, signaling a downtrend. In addition to this, the TDFI should also be in the red to confirm that trend. Once the trade is done, we will place our stop loss just above the SuperTrend and take profit when the SuperTrend turns green, as long as we have a minimum profit. Now, let's look at some examples to make this much clearer. And ready, I hope this strategy has been useful to you. Do not forget that before trying it with real money, you need to try it in a demo account so that you can put it into practice by yourself. Do not forget to subscribe so as not to miss any strategy, as we upload the best strategies every week.